Good morning friends, myself Mr. Pokle Sanjay Kumar Tukaram, MSc MPhil. Today we are going to the class TYBSc and these are the very good and these are the important paper, parasitology. These are the very important because this number of these parasites live in the human body. They are the surrounding to the human body and they produce the number of the disease. Nowadays, there are the one example of the coronavirus. This virus infect to the man, and in the world, more than 200 countries, the number of the people are suffer. That is parasitology. It is a branch of science that deals with the study of parasite. The parasite is a small organism. Some are living inside of the body, some are living outside of the body. But these parasite microscopic animal, some are the larger, that is the unicellular, multicellular animal, but all animal produce the disease and they are the disturb the human life. That is very simply the produce the disease. What is meant by disease? Disease means loss of ease. They are the disturb the human regular lifespan, and that is there are the several number of the pathogen present in the environment, surrounding component. They are continuously nearest to the man, they produce the disease. That's why this parasitology is very important. Not a student, all societies, every people, they give the knowledge, number of the pathogen present in the surrounding, and they protect from the pathogen, they prevent the diseases. And that is this parasitology. There are the welfaring to the mankind of the human life, that is number of the pathogen enter in human internal different organelles system and they get damaged. Sometimes they cannot be cured till death of the very example of the malaria. These are the small protozoan animal. They spread the disease every year in the world. More than 1 million of the people get due to the only infection of the malaria. That is, these are the small protozoan animal. That's why every person they give the proper knowledge, and means this parasitology which infect the man and they produce the disease. There are several type of the disease. Every day new pathogen, new bacteria, new virus. According to this name, there are the different branches are developed. These animal are small, microscopic. That study the branch is called as the microbiology. Some are the bacteria, they study the facial branch, bacteriology. Some are the viruses, they infect the man, they study the branch is called as the virology. That is, this get the specialization categories, but study each and every organism. These are the living to the outside or inside of the host body. That is, they are infect the other living organism and they live in or outside of the body of the host. That is, the host is the larger animal, and particularly these are obtained, that is, this parasite is smaller animal due to the food, shelter, nourishment that depends on the other animal. The parasite is the parasite means they depends on these three basic needs, depends on the other animal, means they obtain the food, shelter, nourishment, and they are actually enter in host body. That time they multiply, undergoes the development. Some parasites are the sexual reproduction, some are the asexual reproduction, different methods, but they get reproduce, and all over the body these pathogens are spreading. And that one stage they cannot be controlled. That time the human beings suffer from the disease condition. That is, in that main thing is there parasitism. These are the association between the two living organisms. That is, these two organisms live together, and in that, in the same species or the different species, but they come together and both sometimes they are correlated to each other, in which one are the parasite. These two, in that association, two organism, one is called as the parasite, another is called as the host. What is meant by host? Host, that is, these are the larger animal. These are the larger animal. They provided food, shelter, nourishment of the small organism. Some side present into the outer surface, some side time come into the internal side. That is the host. These are the animal. Due to this host, these are the larger number of the host is the vertebrate, and these are the particularly they suffer from this parasitic infection. That time they are the stage is called as the pathogenic condition. They are very good example of this Antiamoeba histolytica. These anti-amoeba histolytica through water they enter in the human body and they produce the disease is called as the amoebic dysentery. This stage sometimes symbiotic condition, sometimes human being drink the water, but not every person suffer from amoebic dysentery. Sometimes in internal host body some physiological changes is observed, that time they get infected. Otherwise some are the carrier, no symptom, that is called as the symbiotic. These are the harmless. This is number of the parasite present in the human intestine, but they cannot be damage of the intestine, that is these are the symbiotic condition, but change the physiological condition, that time the patient suffer from this amoebic dysentery. Means host is the larger animal, burglar animal, they provided all nourishment to the small microscopic animal. And the second one is called as the parasite, that is this parasite is the more durable animal, that is these are the derive the benefit, food, shelter, nourishment from host. These are the, they cannot be nothing in the return from these three benefits, that is this host is the one type of these kidnappers, that is these are the harmonies, that is in that animal there are one concept is the live and lead sleep, that is these are the very different in the parasite and the predators. There are two different phenomena. Parasite, this animal live in the host body, from host receive the food, shelter, nourishment, with the help of this process his own reproduction. They cannot be affected, but they cannot be the kill of the host, because parasite now the death of the host automatically death of the parasite, that is these are the cannot be kill the host. These are the role of the kidnappers. Kidnapper receive the money, like this parasite is also role of the kidnapper. Predator is the different animal. These predator they are the capital of the mankind, or they are the prey, host get kill them, that is in that human, that time this number of the parasite they get modified due to the environmental condition, different media, that time they modified for the adaptation, because number of the parasite present into the intestine, intestinal environment, physiological environment get changed, because early morning, after breakfast, after lunch, dinner, different metabolic physiological reaction is continue, that time internal environmental condition get changed, that time according to the environmental condition this parasite is the adapted, and in that particularly number of these human parasites are present. Large number of the parasite present in the inside of the human body or outside of the human body. According that is the some are the unicellular animal, that is called as the protozoan animal. Body is developed by the single cell, but they affected to the human body. Some are the multicellular. It is also called as the metazoan animal. There are the platyhelminthes, nematohelminthes. They are example of the ascaris, larger animal, but they get affected to the human body. And according to this location, this parasite is divided. That is the ectoparasite. Means the parasite present in the outer surface of the host body. Only purpose of the food, they attach to the host body, suck the food. After leave from the host body. Very example of the head louse, tick, bedbug, only purpose of the food, they malaria, that is the mosquito, they suck the blood and again leave from the body, that is the ectoparasite. Another one is called as the endoparasite. Some parasite live in the internal part of the body, particularly lung, liver, kidney. Very good example of this till today corona, that is these are also virus, but these are also parasites. They are present into the lungs, respiratory tract, and at one time they affect to the total part of the human body, that is this animal present in the inner side, and that is in that animal according to this how many time, that is the life cycle pass more than one host, that is the host and the parasite. This parasite present in the host body, automatically this multiply, they get reproduced, and his life cycle is completed more than one host. According to this host is the two type. One is called as the definitive host and another is called as the intermediate host. What is meant by definitive host? The host, that is the whole organism, the whole life cycle of this parasite is completed in the single host. Without host cannot be survival. That is the egg to larva, larva to pupa, pupa to adult, up to the sexual reproduction. Total life without host cannot be survive. This type of this parasite is host is called as the definitive host. Very good example of this. Particularly Ascaris lumbricoides. Ascaris, without man, they cannot be survive. Sexual reproduction is completed in those hosts is called as the definitive, and another is called as the intermediate host. Some life cycle stages is completed. There are these parasites enter in human body, that different type of the sources, because the human surrounding region, they are a very good example of the soil. There are India is the agricultural country, number of the people working into the agriculture sector. That time this number of the parasite pathogen present in the soil, that is a very good example. Ascaris, the embryonated eggs present into the soil. Soil get cultivated, and these eggs with the raw vegetable engulfed by man, that time Ascaris is entering into the human body. That is the small children playing into the soil without healthy care, that time they are infected. As well as the hookworm, this larvae is inserted through the skin, that is these are the present into the soil. As well as the some parasite present into the water, that is the cyst of the amoeba, water is drink condition, that time these amoeba enter in intestine and automatically they are infected. As well as guardia animal, as well as some parasite enter into through the food, that is the meat. There are some animals they get infected, the species the Trichinella spiralis present into the meat. The meat cannot be properly cooked. As well as the pork tapeworm, they are present into the pig, they also infected to the body, that is the food. As well as some are the insect vector, means some animal role of the insect, these are the vector, they transfer the two stages. This vector is transfer the pathogen, but these are the biological elements. At the time of the transporting, some developmental condition is completed, some life cycle stages is completed, they are called as the biological. And second is mechanical transport, that is the housefly that collect the cholera, germs, different pathogen, and they release without any development, without any life cycle condition. And that is in that these stages, that is some are the animal vector, some are this, all these stages, this animal they are the transmitted, that is this all number of, some are transmitted to the wild animal, some are transmitted to the domesticated animal, and number of these sources the animal are transmitted from one individual to the another individual. And actually in that number of the phases, particularly every living organism, they run into the which media, according to this there are the different categories, that is the number of the definition. Okay, next point. Okay, that is in this according to the category, the definition, specific scientific definition. What is meant by host? That is, these are the organism which harbor the parasite. This host is the larger animal. All this number of this animal is the vertebrate. Particularly, these are the provided the obtain the shelter, nourishment. They provided all needs of their parasite. Those hosts present in the parasite, they provided all facility. That is, this host is parasitism. These are the ecological nature, they provided food, shelter, nourishment, all benefits. That is, these are the very important animal in this parasitism. Second is the parasite, that is, these are the small living organism which lives temporarily, permanently inside of the host body or outside of the host body, and they are found large living organisms. And sometimes this parasite is the organism that damage the host. The parasite do not kill, but predator also kill this. And actually second is the vector. What is meant by vector? Vector is the invertebrate animal. These are the transporter. Pathogen transfer from one individual to the another individual, one infected person to the another infected person. That is, these are the transport. And there are the two type of these vector. One is called as the mechanical vector, or it is also called as the mechanical transfer, housefly. The second is the biological vector. There are the mosquito. These mosquitoes suck the blood and they transfer from one infected person to the healthy another person. As well as Genopsila chiopsis, these are the bite, suck the blood of the infected rat and again bite to the man, they spread the bubonic plagues. That is, these are the animal transfer from one individual to the another individual. Next one is the commensalism. That is, very simply it is called as the eating on the same table. That is, these are the association of the two living organism. There are no metabolic physiological connection, but they live into the second. These are the loose form of the association. Only the purpose of the food, shelter, nourishment, they come together. In commensalism, one or both members they get benefited, and actually these are the sometime both are benefited, sometimes one are benefited, other are not harmful. That is, these are the according to the location, ectocommensalism, endocommensalism. There are the very good example of the sucker fish in the ocean, marine water. These are the fishes, the Romera, and the larger shark. The shark move traveling to the water. This sucker fish attach in the lower side of the larger fish. They are the save the energy at the for the purpose of the locomotion, and they are ready food material is available. That is, these are the commensalism. They continue, both partners benefited one time, one partner is benefited. Second is the mutualism, both benefited. That is, in that mutualism concept, there are the two partners, that is the association between the two partners, both are benefited. That is, the partnership is the continue. Without partner, they cannot be survive. That is, these are the each other, they are the metabolic connection. And actually there are the example of the two animal, very one example of the termite, and these are the communicate with the trichinella. Trichinella is the flagella. The termite absorb the blood of particularly termite are bark of the tree, but they are the incapable for the digestion. This trichinella flagella release the enzyme, they digest the cellulose. These cellulose are useful for the termite, and that time these flagella give the protection from the termite. That is, without trichinella they cannot be survived, because they due to the starvation termite is also death. And the second one is the green algae. They are the communicate with the green hydra. This green hydra release the waste material. These waste material are utilized by the green algae, and in that process they produce the O2 and the CO2. These O2 and CO2 they use to the green hydra. That is, these are the correlation, and both are benefited. That is, in the mutualism, both partner get benefit. And at this concept, there are the large number of these living organism which these are the phenomena. They continue his life history, they produce the disease. That is the parasites. They are the live in the different phenomena, commensalism, mutualism. In that stages they live continue. And actually in that topic upon all these overall, these are the main basic needs. Next lecture we study the different type of the parasite, type of the host. They are the correlation to the each other. Okay, thank you.